Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and welcome back to our short series on using the CARRD publishing platform. This is for those of you who are looking to test MVP style landing pages and profile pages and landing pages to sell products like Gumroad, Podia products, and pretty much anything else that you can imagine doing. So, one of the things that I've gotten a lot of questions about, having done a bunch of CARD videos now, are some of the various ways of utilizing CARD to test ideas or to test landing pages or to test conversions using CARD template. So, I want to show you a really just a quick example of something that we modified, or actually I modified myself, and I'm certainly not a CARD expert, and I'm a code dummy, but this just kind of demonstrates some of the flexibility and some of the fun and some of the real ease that you can bring to your design process to engage your audience in some cool and creative ways. So this is a really simple card theme which we bought, or I bought actually on September 6th, maybe. I'm recording this on the 9th. Actually, I think I bought it on the 7th. So a day and a half, 2 days ago, at night, I purchased this. And it's really simple. You can see it's just a Twitter kind of emulation landing page. It's designed to look like a Twitter profile. And essentially, I think this was designed ostensibly for a single person, like a profile page, rather than like an about me or something like that, or like one of those profile sort of landers. But the developer actually just created a very, um, you know, Twitter style aesthetic, and it looks great, right? And the end, right? So essentially, and the buttons here you would use again ostensibly to have someone follow you on social media, or down here below to sign up for your newsletter, or here to connect with you on TikTok or Instagram or Twitter or via email. All that's pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy to understand. But as most of you know, we're building a community of cohorts and conversation for our Mindful Marketplace publishing platform. And all I did here was I took the same theme and essentially just redesigned it. So you have, this is really not the salient piece of this, but this is the front page. But then I created this complete Twitter like profile with some very funny kind of imaginary conversations between myself and Bill Gates and Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk, et cetera, as a example of what folks would be getting on the back end of our community, private community forum. So kind of the conversation that we're trying to entice people to sign up to get access to, right? In this case, obviously the sort of faux, public entrepreneurs, or real public entrepreneurs, but faux conversations or fake conversations that I'm having with them on the backside. And again, I've shared this with our community, and we've gotten a lot of funny feedback. People have laughed, and that's kind of the idea, right? So again, taking this really, I could have never designed this on my own, right? Because I don't have the design chops to do it. But essentially, all we're doing here is taking this landing page, right, which you can see here, and then I'm just copying this column over and over again and changing this profile pic to a different profile picture. So I would make a copy of this column and then leave this profile picture there, but add a new profile picture underneath, and then continue just to iterate on that approach, as you can see here, where you have a fake Elon Musk, a fake Bill Gates, myself as a kid, a fake Jeff Bezos, myself, and you have this whole sort of emulated approach to a Twitter conversation, which is pretty, kind of, I tried to be funny, or humorous about it, and give people an incentive to actually want to sign up and get access to the back end, if only to get access to more funny conversations with other real people rather than fictional Bill Gates or a fictional Jeff Bezos. The other thing that you can do with this is obviously all these are links, right? So that's a link, and you can sell products, and you can see here, this links out, so you can actually link to Gumroad products or Podia products or marketplace style products that you may be offering, or anything else that you really want to do in the world using your CARRD landing page. The other thing I thought about doing actually was offering this as a landing page for our community that had real members and their real products. So actually giving people the incentive, let's say, who are on our circle community, to be part of the kind of activity stream on a landing page that sells the community, and linking out to their own products and services as an incentive for being a premium member, let's say, or if you're selling directory style memberships or featured listings, etc., etc. This is just another way of incorporating CARRD into the promotional pages that you're using to push or promote your platform. Okie doke. Again, CARRD is super duper easy to use. We're using this as part of our Blurt platform, the idea incubator and brand accelerator for enlightened entrepreneurs with a need for speed. So if you're looking for for landing pages that are designed very quickly, the whole approach that we're using as part of that product line is 3-day turnarounds. So if you want a landing page for your product, your service, your coaching, your community, and you want it done in 72 hours, get in touch, mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com, and I'll send you some of the details of that whole publishing process when you reach out. Okie doke, teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. CARRD is really awesome. I highly recommend it. And if you're struggling to come up with lots of creative ideas for testing landing page copy, give it a try and see what you can accomplish, in really rapid fire turnaround time. Thanks so much for watching. Again, we have more CARRD videos coming, and if you have any things that you'd like to see me demonstrate via CARRD, again, I'm not a CARRD expert, but I'm happy to show you everything I know and publish it in a public way. Thanks so much, and have a great day.